to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Today's video is an unboxing of a Louis Vuitton item that is highly sought after apparently, and if you want to see what I have to unbox, just please stay tuned. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscription button. Also give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on your bell notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So y'all must know that I love y'all, because I have worked my 8-hour shift and your girl is back home doing an unboxing video for you all. So if you all are confused and you don't follow me on Instagram, I posted a poll about if I filmed a video today, edited today, and uploaded today, would you all be interested in watching it? And majority of you all said yes. So here I am filming this video, and I also am excited that majority said yes, because I have been waiting to unbox this item since yesterday. And share it with you all, so I am super excited. I do have another unboxing video that finishes up what I got for Christmas. You all know that I posted on Instagram one of the handbags that I got for Christmas. Well, I think since I already did that for that handbag, the Marc Jacobs handbag, I'm gonna do it for the other bag that I got for Christmas, because that package arrived too. So make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can see what I'm gonna unbox there. So I'm not gonna ramble too much, because I don't want this video to be long, one, because I'm trying to have this video posted by a certain time. So let's get right into the unboxing. I'm just gonna show you the box. Disclaimer, I kind of opened up the box before this video because one, the tape was thick, and I've seen it ish, the handbag. I haven't really gotten to sit and inspect it, so you and I will be doing that together. I just kind of wanted to get like the heavy duty tape off of it and just make things smooth and easy as possible. So I'm gonna show you the box this way because it doesn't have my address on this side, but here's the box. It came in a pretty big box. I ordered this piece from What Goes Around Comes Around. I ordered this handbag from What Goes Around Comes Around. So that's the name of the store. And their website is right here, right there. I will also put their website in the description box down below. But they are a luxury consignment shop. I love their packaging. The box is just a plain white box, but I love how it has their shop name, their website. This is how they packaged my item. They packaged it in bubble wrap. My receipt comes inside of this envelope. My item was packaged a little bit more decent than this, but my actual bag is wrapped around What Goes Around Comes Around, a wrapping paper, which is really cool. And we're just gonna break into that. And then the bottom of the box also has a bubble wrap as well. I like how they securely sent my bag to me. They also placed my bag in this plastic bag. And then here is the bag, and it's dust bag. This is the original Louis Vuitton dust bag. The last time I've seen a dust bag like this was when I got my Speedy 30, so it's really taking me back. So I love it. So if you're ready to see what I purchased, let's count down together. 3, 2, and 1. You all, I got the mini No Way bucket bag, and I am obsessed. Let's just take a quick close look at this bag. Look at the beautiful canvas. Look at the vachetta bottom. It is nicely patinaed. It is this nice honey patina leather. It is gorgeous. This is the back of the bag. You see the leather that acts as the pull strings to cinch the bag shut. Here is the authenticity card. And so you can just scan this QR code that's right here, and it will give you all the bag specs. And here is the tags, and if you choose to keep the bag, you just remove this tag, but if not, you keep it on here and return it. The bag comes with a top handle. They did stuff my bag for me, so the bag has a top handle. Let me take the paper out. This is the inside of my bag, just one large bucket compartment, and we have the vachetta leather pull tabs. I don't know why they keep turning inside out, like they keep turning in a different way, but this is what it looks like. And it's top handle. I love this bag. I saw this bag showcased on Hey June on her YouTube channel, and you all know I've been on a whole Louis Vuitton vintage kick, and so being able to find this bag, honestly, I think this bag is a vintage bag. I'm gonna have to double check. But I love this little cutie. This cutie, the size is in between the Nano Noe and the Noe BB. They discontinued this size, which I really feel like that was a poor Louis Vuitton decision, because this is literally the perfect sized Noe. The bag came in a great condition. I did just take a water wipe and just wipe down the inside of the bag. I do that to a lot of my bags. You all also know I've been on a bucket bag kick, so you know I have the Prada bucket bag, and now I have this bag. You all know at the beginning of last year, if I remember correctly, I had a video talking about why I returned my Nano Noe, and here we are, full circle with a mini Noe in its full glory. I do think that at some point I am gonna get this bag repaired. If you look closely, the gold hardware is a little tarnished, so I would want to replace all of the gold hardware, get it polished, get it replaced. I would also like to get a new vachetta pull string, just because in certain areas, like how you see here, it's a bit cracked, but for right now it's doable. I love how you have the versatility of wearing it top handle, and I have different strap options, so I can attach my different strap options here. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I'm gonna be taking pictures with my different strap options and asking you all what strap option do you like the best, and that is how I will carry my bag. But here's the bottom of the bag right here, and there are some wear and tear, but it's not anything where I'm just like, oh my gosh, my bag is in terrible condition. Again, I ordered this bag from What Goes Around Comes Around. They have a really nice authentic vintage Louis Vuitton pieces, and I think you should check out their website. Again, I will put their website in the description box down below. So I cannot wait to wear this little cutie out, dress her up, especially since it's the winter season, I guess fall winter season, and with certain coats I think it would just look really bomb and really nice. If you want to see a video of everything that can fit inside of this little cutie, I can make a video for you all. If you want me to compare my mini Noe to my Montsouris mini backpack, I can do that, because I think the backpack might be a little bit bigger, but not by much. I can do a video on that as well, and I can compare my Prada bucket bag to this little mini cutie right here. I know Fashionphile has one or two of these bags available. I will check, and if they do, I will link it down below. And I love this bag so much. I'm also gonna link the video of Hey June when she introduces her mini Noe. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed tonight's unboxing. Apparently out of nowhere, this has been a really sought after Louis Vuitton piece. I know the No Ways have always been a popular bag for Louis Vuitton, and I'm just so happy that I got my hands on this, and hopefully someone from Louis Vuitton is watching me and they bring this bag back, because it is such a cute structured bag. And it is the perfect size, no way. And so yeah, if you like tonight's video, please give me a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Mwah.